C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. 350 Chevrolet small block power underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Repaint to this bright blue color, black leather bucket seats. Equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at this front fascia. As you can see, there are a few spots in the paint up front where there is a little chip here and there in this nose cone. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're watching the video on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Headers right into side pipes. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. You can see how it sounds. It sounds great with those side pipes, actually. Slotted steel wheels, got those rally style wheels. Center caps, beauty rings. Let's take a look down this passenger side. So leather bucket seats, center console, aftermarket stereo. I have had that power up, have not gotten sound out of the stereo, so you're aware of that. Of course, T-top car, being it is a coupe. And as far as T-tops, it does come with a T-top storage bag. You can see those right over here. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see T-tops in, T-tops out, car cover, T-top storage bag. Nice setup for storing those T-tops. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see this rear window is tinted. And once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics if you are into Corvettes, whether it be C3s, C6, 7s, 8s. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. As you can see, blue paint does have a nice shine to it, but as pointed out earlier up front, there's a few spots where there's imperfections. It's not perfect. It's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Looks good again with those chrome side pipes, headers right into them. Let's check out this interior a little closer. We do have tilt column. Door panels look good. And as you can see, seating surfaces, nice shape. Little aftermarket safety belt has been installed. Bolster, not too bad a shape. I've had the wipers working. The headlights have been converted to the electric headlight doors. Brakes are 80% or better all the way around. Limited slip differential. Alright, so there you can see tack. It's reading a little bit high, I would have to say, with this idle. There you can see stereo system did power up. Gauge cluster, dash. Headlight doors. So of course those side pipes are baffled on the inner part of that, so it's not just a straight pipe and crazy exhaust sound, just a nice little rumble. All right, let's check out that engine bay, see how that looks. Again, small block Chevy 350 cubic inch V8. different intake manifold. And as you can see, power steering, power brakes. '75 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1975 Chevrolet Corvette in blue with some great looking chrome side pipes on it. This is an automatic right here in the center console, so it's super easy to drive. There's a Pioneer stereo in the dash. Our turn signal indicators are working. Very nice, smooth running engine with great throttle response and good power. Our fuel gauge is the only one I'm in question about. That one is topped out at full. The temperature gauge is about 180 right now. Oil pressure 75 to 70. Battery is charging above halfway on the gauge. There is a clock. Do not see a second hand or minute hand moving, so that is there. It's just not functional. Nice ride out of this car. We do have T-tops in this car. They're in currently for a little less wind noise for you. Very equipped with tilt. Factory looking bucket seats in this Corvette. Brakes are working well. The side pipes sounding very nice. This car corners as a Corvette should. It's nice and flat in the corners. Something really nice about the throttle response in this car. I do like it. Fun to drive. Great looking metallic blue with chrome side pipes. 1975 Corvette. Learn more about it and see all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.